I say your name. Having been duly elected to the position of Savior position. In the Immaculate Conception Academy Alumni Association. Do hereby solemnly swear. That I will abide by and uphold the Constitution and bylaws of the Association. And bear true faith and allegiance to the same. That I will conscientiously and faithfully perform to the best of my ability. The duties and responsibilities that accompanies my office. Without fear or favor. With the end view of furthering the objectives of the organization. And advancing the interests of the community to which it is dedicated. To conduct myself at all times in a manner consistent with and reflective of the mission of IKAAA. That I will strive to bring honor to the organization and to our alma mater. And that finally I shall impose this obligation upon myself. Voluntarily and without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God.
So today, the solemnity of the Most Holy Trinity holds a significance for me. It makes the Serendipitous alignment with the essence of our past 2 years. Through this journey, we felt God's provident care and unwavering faithfulness toward us. While certain phrases may seem cliché, such as Jesus is the way, the truth and the life, or do good, be good, and always be good, or kapit lang. These things have served as our North Star, our guidance and direction. As we look ahead to the next 2 years, I am filled with hope and excitement for all that we will accomplish together. Our dear IKA Alumni Association is turning golden this year. humble beginnings, what used to be a vision of Sister Yvette is now 50 years old. There will be new challenges to face and obstacles to overcome, but I have every confidence that with the continued trust and support of this community, there is no limit of what we can achieve. Together, we will continue to make a difference in the lives of our fellow men, alumni, and our beloved alma mater, ICA. And may all your prayers, made through the intercession of Venerable Delia Petron, be answered. Thank you guys, and have a great evening.
Hi everyone.
Oh yes, it's a so happy John is here.
You arrange yourself, like,
all the clergy and the entire people you have gained for your own. Listen graciously to the prayers of this family whom you have summoned before you. In your compassion, O merciful Father, gather to yourself all your children scattered throughout the world. To our departed brothers and sisters, and to all who were pleasing